call, and I do now.
Excuse me for a second. Open the window.
Why don't you open it, you...
Congratulations on the movie.
Why,
Hey! Show up. How's it going?
David. What's up?
How you doing?
Hello.
Hello, Adam.
Oh, are you flirting with her? Oh my God.
How are you?
How you
Good to see
doing?
you. Pleasure, man. What are you guys
Oh,
doing?
Adam, we're just
What's up,
Fandango
baby?
here.
Life's
Talk
good,
about
yeah.
it.
Grown-ups too, y'all.
I have heard.
Thank
I
you.
have heard about the grown-ups too.
Thank you.
Hey, you know what I like? A significant part of the grown-ups movies is, frankly, you guys just sort of mocking each other and
Yeah.
trying to one-up each other, which I can respect.
Thank you.
Whether the dialogue is scripted or improvised, has anyone ever been the subject of a joke that went too far? Did the safe
that's
word
a good
come out?
I've been
at any point?
Oh, yeah.
Schneider. That's why he's not
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Sometimes after a take, I look at Adam and I go, rude.
Oh, he does. He
Because
gets
it goes
right
too
away.
far. They get on me.
Yeah.
And I go, oh, really? Really?
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
all for the movie. I go, okay.
We
It's
do
on.
go after Davey.
Some, actually, for the most part, you seem to escape most of the barbs. Of
course you
I
do.
mean, they'll go after your accent sometimes.
That's true. We
No,
all-
No, they give me a hard time. Oh,
really?
they get me, yes. But
I
maybe
didn't
not
even know
on
you-
screen. Not on screen as much.
You never had it as bad as the rest of us. Or me, by the
Your
way.
life perfect.
I stopped the boat from
I
going
get it.
forward.
No, but I get
That's
it
true.
more than Maya or Maria. You get to me more than Maya or Maria.
There's sometimes boob jokes, right? Are they offensive?
They're about
I didn't know you had big boobs until I heard the jokes. And I was like, oh my God, I never looked. Because I'm a gentleman.
I think it's a huge credit to you, Adam, and Happy Madison, sure,
Thank you.
that you've basically created this production family by reteaming so frequently with folks on screen and off screen and the production folks. So, is there a sense at this point when a new Happy Madison production is going into production that everyone's like, "Hey, we're all gonna work, everybody in the pool"?
Oh, that's got to be
Paul
horrible.
Schwartz
for
and
you.
Carl Buscemi, everyone.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Schwartz.
The great news is when we're doing a movie, everyone kind of just says, it'd be great if we can all do it together. David calls the most. When
I still fax.
he faxes.
Big
the
question mark.
invested heavily in the industry.
Am I in this one? Boink, boink.
But it's ultimately, I would love to do movies with these guys every time. It's fantastic.
There are so many comedians that pop up in Grown Ups too. Was there anyone
Yeah.
who really surprised you guys? With
Shaq.
what they brought to-
Shaq was the one.
We
with
all
the
love Shaq the most.
Put your hands in the air. And wave them like you just don't care. Say ho. Say ho.
He's got timing. He's got timing,
great
and
timing,
he
deep
knows how to
voice.
do it. And he's got yes.
Do you know that why Shaq can't has a deep voice? Do you realize he can't sing high or scream high because he got elbowed in the throat playing hoop out there in practice? Swear to God, and his voice box or something about it changed his thing, and he can only talk low.
Also,
Swear to God.
the fact that he's 11 feet tall.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Might have
yeah,
something
And
to
it
do
sounds cooler.
Well, I might as well enjoy this.
Your car is filthy.